Yes, YouTube.
Yes, YouTube.
It's Ash Jones. So, done many runs over Cannock Chase recently and put videos out about them, about the runs that I've done. I've been really keen to get Ash down track to tracks, and for those of you that have enjoyed those videos, I'm sure you're quite interested to see how Ash gets on down there. Now, we have rolled down there already and we've had a little look at the features, haven't we, Ash? Yeah. He's not fully committed to anything yet. He's just going to give it a second run down, have a little razz and see what happens. So I've handed the camera over to Ash because I'm sure you're sick of seeing me ride down here already. Is that his old tricks again? And so you can just watch Ash go down track to tracks basically. Yeah, I think that's about it. Nothing else to add. Time is of the essence. The sun is going down. It's after work. Let's go. Peace. Safe. Right then, Ash. No gloves?
Nah.
Oh, one thing to add. Is that running?
Yeah.
One thing to add. It's overgrown. So I'm feeling brambles and bracken and all sorts just whipping the hell out of me.
We need
Need an edge trimmer on my forks.
I was going to say, I've thought about that, you know, well, no, I haven't genuinely considered it.
Let's get edge trimmer.
Yeah, I've just thought, whether there's like an efficient way of just like doing a bit of trial pruning whilst riding.
No.
Buy a goat.
Walk down it with shears and cut it.
Yeah.
Right then, let's enter. Dusty.
It was alright. It was alright. I just got.
What are you thinking?
It's just that second, this drop right here that I just kind of looked at, went, yeah. But
do you go right a bit then?
Yeah.
Do you want to go back up from here and do another run down from that bit and do the full run?
Yeah, can do. Yeah.
Hey, so we just did a half run, which wasn't planned, but that's the way it ended up. I kind of wanted to just stay in front of Ash a little bit, just to sort of guide him through a little bit more. He said he dodged the first gap jump, weren't really feeling it, and then finds the other one a little bit awkward. Yeah. We'll see what happens this run. You never know. Camera's staying on him. We're going to do a full run through. Once we've done this, we're going to go into another trail before probably calling it a day, because yeah, sun's disappearing on us. Do you want to have a little check? Can't even tell. Oh, there it is. Yay. All right, another run of track to tracks, as I like to call it. And for those of you that keep putting the real names in, can you leave it out, please? You're not meant to be. What's are you doing? Are you filming me film you? Weirdo. Yeah, don't put the real names in. Keeping these a secret. All right. Cool.
Yeah. Got one of them soft blockouts on his shocking it, you know. Needs the help on the climbs at his age.
In this section, I'm trying to give Ash a heads up as to when to not brake. So I'll say no brakes, and that means it'll set him up really good for the step up.
Yeah. Yeah.
No brake.
Okay. Is that there? Boom. Oh yeah. Didn't tell me anything but bloody gardening gloves. Okay. There's nothing to. You know what? Exciting that. Yeah.
I'm gonna just do this for you, mate.
Okay.
Just so you can see how much effort you need to or not to put in.
Not too bad. Yeah. Well, yeah.
I reckon you got that one.
It's getting dark, eh? It's getting dark. Yeah. Nah.
It's like going off a curb, mate. No joke.
Yeah, sorry about the footage here. It's all a little bit blurry.
Take your point.
Partly because it's dark, and partly because there's a little bit of a smear on the lens. Yeah.
Safer this way. Scenic route. Why is the whole world in a rush nowadays, eh? Enjoy it a bit. Really? Yeah, it was alright, was.
Yay! We've had to like put some lighting on. It's that dark. That's how dark. Don't look that dark in the sky, does it? But in this car, it's dark. Trust me. Anyway, so just a short video. I was really interested in getting Ash down that run. I've got no idea what it was like for him. I haven't actually asked him. I just kept saying, yeah, and he'd go, yeah. So Ash, talk to us. What do you think of the off-piste runs?
I think they're really well made. They're better made than the official stuff out of the chase, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
I think with a few more laps, a lot of practice laps, I'll probably be comfortable in going off all the jumps on it, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's more just overgrown. Could do with a bit of maintenance, fetch some of that foliage out, and then maybe I'll be a bit more comfortable. I think it's when you've got the ferns and that smashing off your knuckles all the while, it's a bit disconcerting, isn't it? Because you don't know whether you're going to have like your levers grabbed by a bit of bush.
The ferns have really pushed into the trail now, and where you used to have about half a metre width.
That for an haircut.
Stop it. Wait.
Like a G-string.
You bully. Nobody likes to be called a bully, do they? Nah. So anyway, yeah. So that half a metre gap is more like, I don't know, 650 mil.
Yeah, old school bar width, man.
Old school bar width, and yeah, it's hard to sort of see the track. So for him riding blind, he had like 3 runs down it. It's a little bit, I don't know what's to come and which way it's turning and that. So yeah, hopefully if someone, to be honest with you, I might do it. I might go down there as soon as I'm riding it so much and just clear some of the bushes back on both sides. There's also another trail. I went riding with Dave recently, which we didn't film. Did the same run, showed him all them, and we did some other off-piste trails that are just close to it, which seem like old runs that need a bit of work. So I was thinking about taking the rake down there and just clearing all the sort of old sticks and bits and pieces that are in the trail, so we can get it running smooth and fast. And then there's a load of logs that are there, which are pretty fresh, that could be set up at the bottom of this big bomb and create a huge jump off it. So yeah, I might look at that. We'll see. Time is precious, and riding is right at the top of that list. Trail building is slightly down, about 4th, 5th maybe. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a message in the comments. That's it. Trails don't pay bills. Peace out. We've got some exciting things coming up, haven't we?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Going north, baby. Pretty soon.
Land of gravy and pies.
Is it?
Well, no, like north in general, I guess. Scotland's haggis, isn't it, really, and whiskey. Bit of whiskey, saying that is.
Oh, mate, I've got this bottle of whiskey. It might be the time to bring it. Yeah, anyway. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Peace. Practice laps, so I'll probably be comfortable in going